Hey guys, it's Brittany and today I'm back with another YesStyle haul. So I bought a bunch of stuff, like a lot of stuff from YesStyle because I just love YesStyle. And yeah, I'll just show you guys what I got. And by the way, you can use my code BRIPCAB for money off your purchase on YesStyle, so make sure to go use that code. And I'll also link all the items I show you today in the description as well. So with that said, let's just get started. Okay, so first we'll start with pants. So I have these two sweatpants, but they're no normal sweatpants. They have adjustable ends, so like if you want it cinched in, like I think sweatpants would usually be like a jogger looking type, you can just like pull the string and then like tuck it in like this. Or if you want like a yoga pants style, leave it the way it is, wide straight leg style. So like it's basically two pants in one, plus they have 4 pockets. So they have 2 on the sides, 2 on the sides, and also 2 on the back. I usually never see like sweatpants with like back pockets, so that just adds on to making it so much more cooler. The elastic is super stretchy and it's also not very thick. It's more on the thinner side, which is good, so it's like not really heavy or will make you hot easily, especially since I live in a place where it's almost summer the whole entire year. This definitely is like my dream sweatpants right here, guys. I am not kidding. It's lightweight, it has a nice fit, but I did have to size up a bit. I got extra large because the reviews recommended me. So yeah, I got extra large in both the gray and black one. They have like these little tags on like the side and I think the knee area. I don't mind it. If anything, I think it looks cool. It's like subtle. I just really like the look of it, so yay! Now the next thing is this brown Argyle knit oversized sweater. I've kind of been getting into like brown and greens. I like how it's like stretchy and knit and Argyle. And I absolutely love the fit of it. It's like the perfect oversized look. Something about it just like reminds me of like flowers and coffee. Like white flowers and coffee. Real comfy vibes. And honestly, it's pretty thick, well, in my opinion, for someone who lives in Hawaii. I don't know your guys' preference of thickness, but yeah, if it's cold, I would definitely wear this. I think it would look cute on top of a collared or like a turtleneck action going on over here, or just by itself. Either way, it's pretty cute. Okay, I don't know if you really know it or not, but I recently got in obsession with like the color green. So I got some green stuff. Here is another Argyle item, and it's this like olive green sweater vest. I really like this one because it's like super stretchy and soft. Like it is knit, but like I feel like the material is also stretchy. Not just because it's knit, but like the yarn or like the material. I don't know. I actually have the beige color one of this, so I like that one, so then I decided to get the green one. And I've really been liking just putting a sweater vest on top of my like white shirt. It's like an easy fit kind of thing, but it just looks so much more like you put a little bit more effort kind of thing. I don't know. I mean, you could wear it on its own too, but I like to wear it with a shirt inside. It looks cute, it looks comfy. I like the shade of green. Something about Argyle these days, it just looks so good. So as I've said, I do like the color green, so I got another green sweater vest. Oh, it's not really a sweater, it's more like just a vest. It's like a more different material, but it is still stretchy. And I like this shade of green even more. It's like more olivey, sagey, like more lighter, more closer to matcha kind of green. Like I feel like white and this color goes so nice together. I just had to get it. It's actually really lightweight. It's like more thin on the thin side, so you won't be like hot in there if you were to wear a shirt inside. The colors, the pattern, the ridges on its ends, it's really, really nice, guys. Really, really nice. But the green doesn't end there, guys. So I got this. It's like more of a more pastel green, not lime. Well, it's more on the brighter side, but yeah, it is this cropped cardigan button-up thing. It's thin, so you won't be sweating out there. It's like fitted too. I don't know, I kind of imagine wearing this with like a white top inside or like something inside. I feel like it does look better with just like white and green. White and green, I just really like how it looks. I bought this with that outfit in mind. It's kind of like a spring green, just nice and bright and fresh looking. That is what I think when I look at this. Forgot about this brown hoodie. Just a normal brown hoodie. I sized up a little so that I would have like an oversized look to it. Zipper, 2 pockets on the sides. strings for the hoodie, and it's actually really soft inside, and it's not as thick as like the thickest it could ever be, but it's enough to keep you warm. I don't know how to like categorize thickness, because there's always like different amounts of thickness, and I don't know, I've been seeing like a lot of outfits with like brown jackets, and it looks good, so that's why I got this. More specifically, oversized brown jackets. So yeah, so I got a large, and they look pretty good. Okay, back to green. Dragon printed tee, and I think it's normally oversized, you know what I mean, the color green. I don't know, this would be like really nice if I just want to like throw something on real quick, have some kind of graphic on it. And I think it looks really cool, more on the thin side, which I do like, but even though it's thin, it's not see-through, which is good. I don't know, it just feels so roomy in these types of shirts. Like, it's so comfortable, like you can feel the air flowing and like stuff like that. Could like pair with just jeans or like the sweatpants I just bought. Even you can wear it at home or even out because it looks so cool. Like, you can do a lot of things with this shirt. If you saw any of my previous YesStyle haul videos, you know there's this like flower sweater that I just love so much. It's like so soft and stretchy. I have like the blue one and the green one, and now I have the orange one. This is like so soft. I feel like it's the same material as that green Argyle sweater vest, where it's like not only stretchy because it's knit, but it's like stretchy because the yarn itself is also stretchy. The cutest flowers on it ever. It's a little brighter orange than I thought, but it's still very cute. Something about these sweaters, guys, it's like eye-catching, yet it just looks so soft, so cozy. Like, come on guys, it's my third flower sweater. Like, I think that says enough. Not to forget, I also got these earrings. These are like B stud earrings. It's actually really sturdy too. It's like not flimsy at all. I've always kind of wanted this. Like, I don't know, I keep putting my first letter everywhere. I always wanted something subtle. Like, I tried to get like into like more hoop or like dangled earrings, but I always end up getting like a little annoyed by it. So this is like perfect, like stud. You can't tell it's there. You won't be like tangled by your hair or your hands, I don't know. But it still adds like a little touch to your ears. Anyways, I got these before. These are like the sports bras that they have. I really like this one that I got it again. I feel like this is just like a versatile bra. It's adjustable and it's really stretchy, and like the length or like just how it looks. You could use it as a crop top if you want. It's like really comfortable. It fits so well. So yeah, I also got the black one. The black one's good for when you wear dark colors, light colors. You can wear it on its own as like a top, as a sports bra. I like it especially under like crop top. Like, I just like this band. Like, it just covers more, and you know, you feel so secure. Kind of see it as like a little inside top kind of thing. Just everything about it is just great. So then this one I got in case I ever have to wear like something strapless, or I don't know. I was kind of worried that it wouldn't fit me, but it actually fits perfectly. It's like really stretchy and like it holds on, and plus the back, it makes it like breathable since it's like a little more thinner, like mesh kind of. But like if you do want straps, it also came with straps they can easily like hook on. It's just like a simple hook that you put in, and then now it has straps. Also forgot to mention like the fabric. It's like that breathable fabric too. Oh yeah, it's also wireless. Like, it's definitely not like just cotton, like an Under Armour kind of thing, except I don't know, that's the closest thing I could relate it to. But it's not like Under Armour, but it's more fit to be dry fit kind of thing. Or like with the material, I feel like you could also use it as like a bathing suit, bikini top, I don't know. There's a lot of uses for this, and I like that. Also, I got these shorts. It's like safety shorts to like wear under like shorts. You guys know what I mean? Like, it's just like undershorts to put under your shorts. And I like how they run a little long. They're stretchy, and it's like that same material, like a dry fit material. So that's like cool. Yeah, and it's really thin too. Like, this is a must-have to make sure you are always covered up. Okay, but not only did I get clothes, I also got some skincare things. I got this Ceramide extract essence, and I actually don't have an essence, so that's why I decided to get this to like up my skincare game a little. I only really put toner and like wash my face with face wash, so I think this is a good addition. So yeah, it came in this box, and you could either close it with like a regular cap, or you can also attach this like dropper thing that it comes with. It's actually really cool. I never saw anything like this before, and it comes with this like small cap you just put on top. I don't know, it's kind of like eyedropper. I don't know, I haven't been using it for that long, but it does feel good when I put it on my face. It's like, I think I'm putting in more moisture. One point I really liked, it says that it shields against pollution. and changes in humidity and temperature. And I think this is best for dehydrated skin, like skin with large pores and fine lines and wrinkles. It's always nice to add like a little extra care to your skin, and this will do the trick. And along with the skincare, they also have some face masks found, which is like $1-ish around there. So this is like the AHA BHA exfoliating face mask. So this exfoliating sheet mask removes dead skin cells, sebum, and gives the skin a supple texture and luminous glow. I feel like it does a lot. Also, it's vegan. And also they give you free samples, so I got these two. This one is like a super ceramide cream. It's like a deep moisturizing cream. And this one is like an ampule. Is that how I say it? It's like an antioxidant effect with nourishment for the skin. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to use my code BRIPCAB for money off your purchase on YesStyle, or you can also use the rewards link below to get even more percentage off your purchase on YesStyle. I'll also have all the items I showed today linked in the description box as well. If you made it this far in the video, comment down BG, brown and green, because I got brown and green stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!